You're listening to Med School Radio, broadcasting from Central Tokyo, bringing you the best in medicine and some of my favorite tunes.
Just a drink. A martini, shaken, not stirred.
Paget disease and jigsaw puzzles. Paget disease, osteitis deformans, is a disease which eventually results in a gain in bone mass. There are 3 stages. First, an osteolytic stage. Second, a mixed osteoclastic-osteoblastic stage with the predominance of osteoblastic activity. And third, a burnout osteosclerotic stage. The newly formed bone is disordered and has a mosaic pattern. It looks like a jigsaw puzzle. Paget disease is most common in late adulthood, and the cause is uncertain, though there is a genetic component in many cases. When James Paget described the disease in 1876, he thought it was due to inflammation, hence the name osteitis deformans. Most cases are mild and are discovered incidentally, although some patients have pain or fractures or develop tumors in the affected bone. To read more, see Robbins' 9th edition, page 1189.
Is a many splendor thing. It's the April rose that only grows in the early spring. Love is nature's way of giving a reason to be living. The golden crown that makes a man a king. Once on a high and windy hill, in the morning mist, true love is kissed, and the world stood still. Then your fingers touched my silent heart and taught it how to sing. Yes, true love's a many splendor thing. Love is nature's way of giving a reason to be living. The golden crown that makes a man a king. Once on a high and windy hill, in the morning mist, true love is kissed, and the world stood still. Then your fingers touched my silent heart and taught it how to sing. Yes, true love's a many splendor Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you, everybody.